Hello everyone, welcome back to Sowkya Vision. Today we are going to discuss the structure of skeletal muscle. Here we go. The main function of skeletal muscle is what? Locomotion. Yes, the main function of skeletal muscle is body movement, that is locomotion, moving from one place to another place, and maintenance of posture. In gesture maintenance, posture maintenance, the skeletal muscles are helpful. And respiration, it is also involved in the function of respiration, mainly the diaphragm and intercostal muscles. These muscles contract and relax during respiration. And also communication, that are verbal and facial communication. With the expressions, facial expressions, we communicate. Yes, in these also skeletal muscles are helpful. And another is thermogenesis. Yes, heat regulation. And today we are going to discuss the structure of skeletal muscle. How many skeletal muscles are there in our body? There are about 400 skeletal muscles in our human body. Yes, here we go, the structure of skeletal muscle. The entire muscle, the complete muscle, one muscle is covered by epimysium, that is outer membrane. Epimysium. It covers the entire muscle. And the next one is perimysium. The muscle is formed by muscle fibers. Yes, each muscle fiber is bundled together and covered by perimysium. And individual fiber is covered by endomysium. See, entire muscle is covered by epimysium, containing bundles of muscle fiber covered by perimysium, and individual fiber is covered by endomysium. So, epimysium, perimysium, endomysium from outer to inwards. In this diagram, see, this is a whole muscle. This complete is a whole muscle covered by epimysium. This is the epimysium, black color. Yes, epimysium, and containing bundles of myofibrils, that are muscle fibers, covered by perimysium. Each bundle each bundle containing fibers, yes, they are covered by endomysium. Yes, they are covered by endomysium. Now, what it composed of? It is composed of muscle cells. The structure of muscle containing muscle cells, that are also known as myocytes, myofibers, connective tissue, blood vessels, along with the nerve supply. Yes, the muscle composed of muscle cells, that are known as myocytes or myofibrils, connective tissue, blood vessels, and nerve fibers. The muscle fibers are long, cylindrical, and multinucleated. Yes, they are long, cylindrical, and multinucleated. Like this, they are multinucleated. These nucleus are presented peripherally. They are not centrally located, but they are peripherally located. Like this. Yes, they are developed from myoblast. Yes, the muscle fibers are developed from myoblast. Yes, what is the muscle composed of? It contains muscle cells or myocytes or myofibers, connective tissue, blood vessels, and nerves. The fibers are long, cylindrical, and multinucleated, containing more than one nucleus. Yes, that too they are presented peripherally. They are not presented centrally. They are presented peripherally. Yes, now let's see the structure of muscle fiber or myocyte. Here we go. The muscle fiber is covered by sarcolemma. Sarcolemma is representing the plasma sarcolemma is representing the membrane. Yes, and sarcoplasm representing the cytoplasm. Yes, sarcolemma is plasma membrane, whereas sarcoplasm is cytoplasm. Yes, myoglobin, it is a protein. Myoglobin is a protein that is abundantly present in the muscle. Myoglobin is an oxygen binding protein abundantly present in the muscle. And the muscle fiber is punctuated by transverse tubules. T-tubules. We will discuss about this in the next lecture. So these are punctuated by transverse tubules. So this is the muscle fiber. Now the myofibril, yes, it is present within the muscle fiber. Yes, it is present within the muscle fiber. The myofibrils are present in the muscle fiber. Now the myofibrils are composed of myofilaments. Yes, myofilament. Each myofilament containing two components. These are protein components, actin and myosin. Yes, myofibrils containing actin filament and myosin filament. Actin filament. The actin filament again containing three major proteins. What are they? The F-actin, tropomyosin and troponin. The F-actin again containing two strands. Yes, these are present complete length along through the length of actin filament. Yes, two strands which are presented double helix, which forms into double helix form. Yes, the F-actin containing two strands represented by double helix structure. Yes, they are presented like this. Like this. They are presented like this. Yes, the tropomyosin is along the groove of double helix. Here it containing a groove, right? So it is presented along the groove of F-actin double helix. So F-actin containing two strands forming a double helix structure. So the tropomyosin is presenting along the groove of this double helix form of F-actin. Now troponin, it is another actin myofilament, another major protein of myofilament, actin myofilament, containing three units. What are they? Troponin C, troponin T, troponin A. Troponin C bind with the calcium during contraction. Troponin T binds with the tropomyosin, the another protein of actin myofilament. And troponin A for actin. Yes, for actin. So what are the major components of actin myofilament? It contains three major factors, three major proteins. What are they? F-actin, tropomyosin, troponin. F-actin containing two strands which are formed into double helix. Yes, the tropomyosin is present along the groove of double helix representing the tropomyosin. Next, the troponin containing three main units. Troponin C for which binds with the calcium, troponin T binds with troponin and troponin A. These are the three components of troponin. And myosin filament. Yes, the myofibril containing myofilaments. One is actin myofilament and one other is myosin filament. Now, the myosin filament is formed by three myosin molecules. Containing two heavy and one tail. Two heavy heads and one tail part. Yes, two heavy head and tail parts. Myosin head which binds to active site of an actin. Actin containing active site. The myosin head binds to the active site of actin during muscle contraction. Yes, and also it has ATPase activity during muscle contraction. Yes, the myofibril containing actin myofilament and myosin filament, of which the actin containing three major protein F-actin, troponin and tropomyosin, whereas myosin filament containing two heavy heads and tails. Myosin head binds with the active site of actin during muscle contraction. Yes, it also has the ATPase activity. Yes, this is the structure of skeletal muscle. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment section. Please share to your friends. Subscribe to the channel. Namaste.